welcome back to my video. In today's video I'm going to show this makeup look right here, and this look is all about eyes, blue and greens and yellows going on onto your eyes. So if you're interested in watching this video, please do consider subscribing me, and also don't forget to hit the like button if you really enjoyed the video. And let's quickly begin into the video. I'm gonna use moisturizer to moisturize my face, because right now I have not moisturized my face at all. So what I like to do is I just take it and rub it in my hands and warm it up. And literally go ahead all over my face. I really have very dry skin. I'm just gonna moisturize my whole face really quick. I'm gonna just keep my hair back. Now I'm gonna use the foundation brush and take all over it like this. Quickly I'm gonna take my concealer, which is from Lakme Sun Expert, and I'm gonna cover my dark circles, whatever I have. Slightly bring it around my nose, and if you can see, I have a little new member in the family. So just gonna, I think I'm good to go. Next thing that I'm gonna do is do my brows off camera, and I'll come back. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pack my eyes so that I can apply eyeshadows easily. Because you just have to set your eyes as well, otherwise they'll start creasing. So that's it for it. I'm gonna contour with this shade. But you have to make sure that from your lips to your higher cheekbones you have to carve yourself. It's always better to go with light hands at first. And if you can't find your cheekbones, then it's better to do this, like a pout motion, and you can easily find your cheekbones. Like I can automatically find my cheekbones very easily, so I don't need to genuinely do that. Always make sure that you do your contouring up in the motion and don't drag it down, because if you're gonna drag it down, then that will not help you at all in your contouring. So I think that's it. I'm gonna do a little bit on my jawline as well, a little bit on my forehead. If you have small forehead, then you can skip this step, but since I have quite a lot of area on my forehead, so I just like to do a little bit, not too much. And also I like to contour my nose. So I'm taking some blush along with it, and I'm taking this color right here and bringing it up to my cheekbones. Always make sure that your blush should be placed higher above your cheekbones. Basically on your apple of your cheek, so you can smile and do that. I also like to bring it over my nose, just to give some, sun-kissed effect. I'll go with some Vaseline just to prep my lips. I'm taking a little bit of highlighter into my inner corners. I think I shall use some brush for this. Highlight my nose, my chin, my brow bone, corners, because that just opens up your eyes. Next up, I'm gonna go with my eyes. So for eyes, I am planning to go with this green right here. I don't know if it's gonna show at all, but I'll just try to do something with this. I'm taking it in the crease, just as a transition shade, and packing it all up. Doing the same with my other eye. You can do it with a fluffier brush because that's gonna distribute the whole eyeshadow in your crease. So you can place it a little up your eye crease just to make everything nice and blended. Next up, I'm gonna pack yellow eyeshadow from the palette, and I'm gonna go it in my inner corners, basically in my lid, like this. Ooh, it's pigmented. Doing the same on the other eye. And I'm again gonna take that dark green right here and pack it on my inner corners. Oh, sorry, outer corners, I'm sorry. Just to give some depth to my eyes. Right here. And you just have to lightly pat it down. You don't have to blend it into the crease. And that's it. You're good to go. So right now I'm taking this green eyeliner from MAC. This is a beautiful green and it's going to match my outfit as well. So I'm gonna look here in the mirror. I'm gonna do a little wing. Like this. And same in the other eye. Next up, in eyes, I'm going to use Maybelline Colossal Kajal in black. And I'm going to line my waterline with this. If you guys know me personally, then you know I'm not a black kajal kind of a girl. But today's look is going to look fab with black gold pencil under my eyes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to buff the same light green that I've used in my crease right here under my eyes, like so, just to give that peacock kind of a feel to it. And I'm gonna take it to the outer corners of my eye, like so. I'm also taking that dark green onto my outer corners, similarly onto the other eyes. I'm gonna buff that under my eyes very lightly. And once that's done, I'm gonna take light yellow around it so that it looks cohesive in the upper eyelid as well. And that's it. And I'm gonna quickly curl my lashes with a mascara. You can use any mascara that you want. Once your lashes are curled, for the look that I have, I'm going to use the highlighter from Faces Canada, and it's a very pretty golden sort of a highlight. You can see right here. It's a pretty gold shade. I'm going to swatch it for you guys. You can see how pretty it looks. I'm going to do highlighting above my cheekbones on the higher point of my cheeks. You can see how pigmented is it. Slightly on my forehead as well, just dusting off the rest. Now, whatever is rest, I like to go it under my collarbone. just to give me that a little feel of glittery. So I'm gonna do my lips real quick. So for that, I think I'm gonna go pink. First, I'm gonna line my lips. And I also slightly like to just tap my inner corners of my lips with the help of the lip liner. Next, I'm going to use this pink right here. And I think that completes the look. Before going back, I think I'm going to curl my lashes. Can you see the difference? So yep, that's it guys. That's the look for today. And
here's the final look, you guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Also subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can be notified every time I upload. Till then, bye.